Well, welcome to the We Buy Bottoms watch list video. Let's talk about stocks that are bottoming out. And you'll notice here on QQQ, we got to talk about the stock market as a whole, see what's going on. So QQQ, oh, that's the wrong QQQ. I need the real QQQ. Please step up. There we go. You'll notice on the weekly chart here, we are more than likely going to retest highs, but we have to be careful not to get caught in a double top pattern because this can form a double top. So next week is going to be important because we need the market as a whole represented by QQQ and SPY and possibly NVIDIA, which tends to lead. Let me look at NVIDIA as well. What is NVIDIA doing? Yeah, so a lot of the NVIDIA, QQQ, and SPY, they're all close to possibly retesting their previous high, and we need to break out. If we don't break out, then we're going to create a double top, which usually means the market as a whole is going to come down. Because if SPY, QQQ, and NVIDIA are struggling and they start trending to the downside, it brings everything else down with it. So that's what I'm saying. Next week is going to be it's going to be key for stocks as a whole. So keep an eye on that for next week. I have not bought in on anything that's bottomed out yet. For example, keep an eye on Bitcoin miners. They are as close to the bottom as you can get. Riot is going to be a buy under $10, but look, big red candle going right into demand. Do you really want to buy it here? No, not me personally. I'm going to wait and see if buyers step in down here at around $8, and if they do, that's when I'll buy in. Of course, I'll keep an eye on Bitcoin itself, which had a huge dump yesterday, and it's inside this channel. It's been just trending to the downside for a while now. Maybe this spells a downside for the market as a whole, and maybe just Bitcoin is just getting ahead of the game here. So things are looking bearish, and that's why you have to be careful because, yes, maybe Riot and Mora are going to bottom out here with Mora having a bottom at under $16. But it's held that level for a long time now since last year of December, but that's no guarantee it's going to hold this time, right? Maybe this is the one time it just destroys this level, and we actually go lower. So that's why you don't just blindly throw money when you see stocks at horizontal support or demand. You just wait and see if other buyers step in first, and the candle closes nice and green like it did here and here. And that just goes for the other miner too, Riot. So that is what I'm waiting for because we don't know what's going to happen next week. I mean, we could just blast through it and go lower, and you would feel like a sucker buying at $10 or $9, and when you could have bought at 8, 7, because it's gone that low, especially in a bear market. And we might be entering a bear market. I mean, Bitcoin for sure is in a bear market right now. I just showed you. Stocks might, if they follow, if stocks don't break out, then it's gonna get ugly, but that also means it's gonna be an opportunity to buy even cheaper than you normally would at these lows. So I'm keeping an eye on Riot, Mora, and I think someone asked me about Big Bear AI. I think this one is gonna be a buy down here at around 120, 130. And we'll have to wait and see what happens in the coming days, but that's something to keep an eye on for next week. This is the weekly chart, by the way. Let's switch to the daily to get a clear view. Yeah, buyers aren't stepping in right now. It's at 139. Buyers did not step in. Big red candle. So I would wait. Yeah, I would wait for like one. Yeah, one. Well, yeah. Wait. Really? It's really coming down this cheap. Why is it coming down this cheap? I would wait for 116 and $1 at this point because I would wait to see how it see. Yeah, you have to wait to see where this is gonna bottom out. It should have bottomed out here already, but it's been breaking supports. It's been breaking lots of support. It broke this demand here, so we can remove this one. It got completely destroyed by sellers. And then this one we can just move that down at this point because yeah, buyers aren't stepping in right now. So I would wait for 116 and 126 and see if we get buyers there. Because the last thing you want is to buy this and then it goes under $1 and then they reverse split on you over and over and over again. And they did miss expectations on earnings as I see here. So be very careful with this one. I don't think it's a buy because I've seen too many people. They buy a stock thinking, oh my God, it's so cheap. It's going to 10x. And then goes under $1 and just reverse splits the hell out of its shareholders. Mullen. So be very careful with that one. Clover Health. Someone asked me about Clover. I stopped playing this one a long time ago. Aren't they going to reverse split? I'm pretty sure they have to reverse. Yeah, Clover Health on the brink. Nasdaq non-compliance threatens delisting. Yeah, so this is not a buy, not even close. No, I feel sorry for the people in that one. They're going to get absolutely destroyed if they reverse split over and over again. But I think, yeah, the biggest thing takeaway is just be very careful. Right now is the time to exercise caution because of the way everything's moving. You got Bitcoin dumping, you got stocks as a whole coming down. We got QQQ SPY and Nvidia nearing a previous top, and if it doesn't break out, everything's going to come down. So, do you really want to buy right now when there's a possibility to buy cheaper? That's my question to you. But yeah, you can see just a huge, just nothing but red. Where's the other one? There's a Tilray. Yeah, Tilray, the cheapest buy is going to be under 170. So wait and see if it comes down there because that's been a very clear area of support for a long time now. It's been just sitting there waiting. Wait, whoa. What is this? What did I just click on? It's always getting scooped down here. This one's always, buyers always come in and buy around these levels here between 150 and 170. So I'll wait until it gets down there for a buy because this one loves having run ups and it's been doing so for a long time. But again, the biggest takeaway is keep an eye on SPY, QQQ, and Nvidia next week. That's really going to be what tells the story, and Bitcoin as well over the weekend. And that is it for the video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.